going to work today?
Yeah, why not?
'Cause I'd rather work on breaking my own bones with some style, you know. Skate and pack, stuck black as jacks. There's always time to race. Only a fool has a pool and keeps it full. Only a traitor don't train his fools. Go! 45 mph. Go! Downhill on a skate. So there I am, skating solo down 9th Avenue. A couple bikers pull up on me, one on each side. Couple idiots jerking me back and forth. There comes a bus. It's coming straight up